Hi, today we're going to look at how to insert a file or document of some sort into your ViewSonic whiteboard. First of all, you need to make sure you're logged in. You can see your username on the top left if you are. Then you need to click on the magic box at the bottom here. You will see this screen and you need to click here on the OneDrive icon. Once you've done that, you will see three options here, and you need to click on My Files. Find the document that you want to insert. It could be a picture, it could be a Word document, it could be a PowerPoint presentation, whatever. Find the document you want, double click on it. You need to give it a minute to download, but when it does, you'll see this screen. Select the page or pages you want to insert, or slides if it's a PowerPoint presentation, and then click on how you want to insert it, whether it's portrait or landscape. Once it's inserted, and you'll have each page or each slide on a separate whiteboard sheet, you'll need to unlock the document by clicking on that little padlock icon at the bottom. Once you've unlocked the document, you will see all these tools pop up. A really useful tool that you might want to use is this crop button. You can crop the page to the size that you want it, or the bit of the document that you want. And then drag it and drop it wherever you want. And by clicking on these little triangles in the corner, you can resize the segment so it is as big or as small as you want it on the screen. Once you've done that, you might want to click on the pen so that you could start writing on it. Hope that helps you. Thanks for watching.